Hey guys, welcome back to Littleness Club. Today we're making this awesome jackfruit carnitas that tastes and looks better than the meat carnitas. So let's get straight into it. First, let's heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil on medium heat. Then add 1 can of green jackfruit, drained and rinsed. Now add 2 cloves of garlic, half medium-sized onion, add 1½ cup of vegetable stock, 2 bay leaves, half a teaspoon of salt, and juice of half of a navel orange. Cover the pot and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. You can check the tenderness with the help of 2 forks. This looks ready to me. Perfect. Now let's drain the jackfruit and add the seasoning. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of chipotle powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and half a teaspoon of dry oregano. You can skip this step and buy taco seasoning from a grocery store, but then you can also buy tacos from a taco truck too, you know what I mean? Now let's coat our jackfruit pieces completely in this spice mix and get ready to cook this awesomeness. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil and sear the jackfruit pieces on all sides. Do not overcrowd the pan, make sure they're spread out evenly so that they are nicely browned on all sides. In about a minute or 2, flip over the pieces and cook on the other side. Now using 2 forks, let's just shred and pull apart these tender pieces of jackfruit. Now we will squeeze the juice of the remaining half orange. This will help us scrape off the crunchy bits stuck to the bottom. The culinary term for this process is called deglazing. This will greatly enhance the flavor. The carnitas are now crisp and ready. Let's warm up our tortillas. Lightly brush a flat skillet with few drops of oil. I'm using corn tortillas. You can use any tortillas of your choice, soft or hard shell, totally your choice. And now the wait is over. I just can't wait to finish this video and grab one of these. Tacos can be accompanied by many condiments: chopped onions, cilantro, jalapenos, avocados, radishes, lime, and varieties of salsas. You can do all of these or some, totally depending on your mood. For this video, I made a quick avocado and cilantro salsa, and the recipe for that is in the description box. And just like that, your tacos are ready. If you are a meat eater, I highly recommend you try it at least once. You won't believe it's not meat. I hope you make this recipe and enjoy with your friends and family. Let us know in the comments if you do. So that's it for this week's folks. We hope you liked the video. Hit that like button, subscribe, share, and until next time, stay safe and blessed.